I was valedictorian in high school. I got into a fancy college. I stayed here because my parents are getting divorced.
You know what you are, Terry? You're like a gas leak. We don't see you, we don't smell you, but you're silently killing us all.
Robert De Niro, Jennifer Lawrence, and Bradley Cooper must really like working with David O. Russell, even though that writer-director has a reputation of sometimes being difficult, because they're once again in a David O. Russell film. They're in Silver Linings Playbook. They were all even in American Hustle, if you'll recall, and now we have Joy, and that is the name of Jennifer Lawrence's character. This is a movie about a family that puts the dis in dysfunctional. De Niro's the crazy dad. They're divorced. The mom wants to sit in her room all the time watching TV. Jennifer Lawrence is their daughter. Her ex-husband still lives in the basement. And believe it or not, most of this movie is about Joy's attempt to finally make something of herself through the invention of, wait for it, a mop you can use for the rest of your life. That's right, a mop. Of course, the mop is just a metaphor for a young woman trying to find her dreams. This movie is really odd, at times incredibly touching and moving, sometimes wickedly funny. I think it went on for too long. I think David O. Russell tacked on a few extra plot twists and obstructions that really didn't need to be there. But the acting is so strong here. I believe this is Jennifer Lawrence's most complete performance. I know she's got an Academy Award. I know a lot of people have different favorite roles of hers. Wait until you see her in this movie. She reminds us of why she is a bona fide movie star. She's that good. De Niro, of course, one of the all-time greats. I love Bradley Cooper. Terrific acting, strong writing, a little bit too long, but I'm still giving Joy 3 stars. Go see it.